Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. Today I'm going to show you how to hide jump cuts in Premiere Pro. Okay, so let's say you have a video of you speaking, like I do this one right here, and in the middle I go a lot. I'm stuttering, so I've cut that out. Okay, and to be honest, it just doesn't look very good when you shear through. Let's go to it now, and you can see. Let's do a quick jump cut, see how it goes. And there you go. You see that doesn't look good. So to hide that, what you want to do is whatever you're talking about in the video, say, so in this video, I know it's on mute, but I'm talking about a watering can, okay? So over the jump cut, literally you just want to put your video, a photo of the watering can. It's literally that easy. So now, instead of having that nasty jump cut, you're going to go, oh, I haven't put that one to scale, but you know what I mean. So this will be to scale, it will hide that jump cut, and then your sequence will still look flush. So let's just very quickly put this to scale. Oh, if I can, and then you can see what I mean. Okay, there we go. It's the scale. And then let's play that video back through. So me moving, it then cuts to the watering can. Let's speed up a little bit. And then as you see, it just goes back to that. So it looks absolutely fine. Thank you very much for watching, and hope you have a great rest of your day.